Hi there! So you created your Feedbeo account. To help you get started, we'll show you how to create an event, share it with your team, and analyze the results. Before we start, what's the difference between events and polls? Think of Feedbeo's events as the interactive part of your meeting. Each event is unique. It's the moment when everyone can engage and contribute with their opinions. And they do so through different types of polls. The polls you create are the questions or topics to be discussed. You choose the poll that better fits your goals. To create an event, you log into Feedbeo and click Create Event. You can choose Start from Scratch or Start with AI. In this video, we'll focus only on Start from Scratch. Every poll has a title and a description. The title is the question participants will answer. The description is optional, but you can use it to give further context or instructions to participants. Feedbeo has several poll formats you can choose from, such as Q&A, word clouds, multiple choice, and others. When you're creating an event, you need to have a space where you manage all aspects of your presentation. That's why we created 3 different types of visualizations on Feedbeo. The moderator view is your main screen as the event's organizer. You can manage all aspects of your events in this space. On the left, you control the polls. On the right, you see a preview of how your polls appear to the audience. The TV view is the main screen you're projecting to your audience live. The participant view is what the audience sees on their devices. It's where they interact by answering polls and submitting questions. After adding the polls, you can customize your brand's identity. You simply go to the Settings menu and customize the branding elements. You can change the title, the company logo, and colors. Once you're done, share your event by sending the code or link to the participants or insert the QR code in your presentation platform. Click on the moderator view of the event, and you can find the option to share in the upper right corner. After the event has happened, you can also check the results and share them with your team. Go to Analytics and choose which of your events you wish to see. You can export the results, see a preview, or share the link with someone. And that's how you create an event on Feedbeo. Simple, right? Let your creativity shine and make your next presentation even more engaging. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. We're here to help.